are currently en route. All loaded up with everything I need. Make sure the winch is working. Gotta go rescue my buddy. He's driving my old Jeep. It's up on 40s and it is stuck bad. So stay tuned and we'll go get him out. This is Wrecker Tom. And I'll get them out every time, I tell you what. Well, we are here, boys and girls. Come and save one of my best friends.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer. One love like in the movies. Wasting precious time assuming. Oh, were we made to fall? And slowly exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken so open, I gave until empty. Got it all back by myself, now nobody can tempt me. If I turn off, you know, I'm breathing, sitting on my own. Can't keep making exits from the pressure, lessons after lessons. Had to question these glaring design flaws. Can't keep love built from a love song. No, I'm not only with solo, I'm slowly exploring what I need.
We're going in deep. Yeah, the Jeepy. This, oh, I should have put my boots on.
One of 6 sketch trails. Been down this all summer.
Oh, we're in deep here.
No. It's all the passenger side is still in. But I think it's on driver's side axle shafts. And instead of ripping and roaring, I just said we'll wait for a tow.
Wow. Wow. You're in there. How do you feel about this? What's your thoughts?
Hit it with more speed.
More speed?
I think if I had more bumps, it would have been
You should have acted like you wanted to jump this about 40 feet.
Well, I was a little leery because there's a creek behind me that we've all filled in with trees and shit, so it's a bridge.
Nice.
This side has never been this wet.
Alright.
I also regret taking the doors off because I had to shower when I got back to the house.
I bet.
I don't know whether to...
Guess we'll see what we can do.
Did we go... It was solid back
Buried
there.
on 40s. I say we come in from the back.
Oh,
Is there anything to hook onto? What are we hooking to?
There's a trailer hitch.
You want to hook?
Rear axle shaft.
I have to find something solid under there.
Worst case, it breaks another shock mount off the frame.
Well, we don't need to go ripping it apart.
I mean, I do, like I said, the hitch is on it. Did you put that hitch on? Or was it on there when you got
No, it was on there, and it's just attached to that thin little rear bumper thing there. Yeah.
I'm just thinking, because I could still move. If it had some tension, it might walk out.
Ooh, see, yeah, it's this side that got you.
Yeah.
This side got you.
Yeah,
We'll get you out. drove over the GoPro. It's okay. It's alive. Still doing things. Okay. Still alive. Alright. Wow. He's really in there. All we accomplished to do was pull the tree down.
You got me further and slid over.
There's something holding on to you for dear life. What the hell?
I think it's just sitting in the hollow.
Wow. We'll get her. The tree's coming down.
See that?
Wow. Wow, you are in there. Yes, go back, tree. Just go back to where you came from. It's okay. I guess so, eh? That's the next plan of attack. Jesus, he's in there. What? Get her out. I think he just smoked my my e-brake because I forgot it was on, but that's alright. Say hi. Oh yeah, do this at home. Do it lots.
Do it on your friend's property.
No, it's really fun. You know where you're going? What did we break? We got it out, bud. What did we break? Did you hit something?
I fucking cleaned the side of that tree, snapped the mirror off.
Did you?
Oh wait, it's still there. It just bent through.
Oh, it's fine. It's fine. Alright, you want me to unhook from you, or what are you doing? Yeah, I got a hook on. What are you going to try and do? Turn around, maybe?
Try and spin over there and spin around.
Alright, let me get unhooked here. Woo! Fuck yeah, bud! The wiper? You're good. Come on, baby. Some of my stuff out of the way here. A little more of the skinny pedal. There you go. Woo! Oh yeah! Little Jeepy to the rescue. That is quite a weapon, actually. I never played with it like that when I owned it. I own this Jeep and I sold it to Dalton, and he built this thing out of it.
Tell you what, do not buy, if you're gonna put V8 in a Jeep, don't buy a fucking AMC.
Stay away from the AMC. Listen to him over here swearing. This is a kid-friendly channel. Jeez. You gotta say fudge. You gotta say fudge. Alright, fudge. He meant fudge. Well, I'm gonna stick you guys over here and put my winch back together here.
Never been this wet up on top. The creek's always been bad, but up there's never been
This
that
is
bad.
like a holler, isn't it? Like where the water runs through
Pretty
here?
well, yeah, there's a beaver dam up over there, and then there's another one up above it.
Oh, old beaver got you.
Yeah. Tread on the...
Two beavers got you.
Dang.
Eh?
It happens.
Two beavers got you tonight. This video is not for kids. We're talking about all kinds of beavers.
Get the editor out here to...
Yep. You're gonna have to edit that.
Editor, I need all the beavers.
You're gonna have to say it was a muskrat or something, maybe. I don't know. I'll just say it's not for kids. Alright. Well, let's try and get out of here.
Hey, my zip tie fix for that broken ladder bar is still working.
Not bad, because that was quite a beating. My poor Jeep took a fucking beating.
Hey, you saved it from the tractor. My
Yep.
heavy foot. Those wheels are so sick.
So this is the aftermath. It was nice and clean before that.